Assess Assessment 2. Business Video Pitch. Introduction. Recycle style. Turning plastic waste into sustainable fashion. Lately, we've really started to notice two huge issues that are affecting our planet: plastic pollution and the fast fashion industry's unsustainable practices. On the surface, these problems might seem different, but they're actually deeply connected. The fashion industry is the second biggest user of water and accounts for about 8 to 10% of global carbon emissions, more than all international flights and shipping combined. At the same time, over 300 million tonnes of plastic are produced every year, with more than 8 million tonnes ending up in our oceans. These figures highlight an urgent question: can we address the plastic waste crisis while meeting the growing demand for ethical fashion? That's where Recycle Style comes in. This startup is dedicated to converting post-consumer plastic waste into stylish, high-quality and affordable clothing. We see a significant opportunity here, not just to tackle plastic pollution directly, but also to contribute a circular and ethical fashion economy. Our business model combines sustainable manufacturing, innovative recycling techniques, and trendy designs to cater to environmentally conscious shoppers, especially Gen Z and millennials. This business proposal will delve into the impactful business opportunity Recycle Style is seizing, outlining our value, present a solid and scalable business model, and provide evidence and financial projections to back up its viability. By merging waste management with sustainable fashion innovation, Recycle Style is set to create a meaningful positive impact, both environmentally and economically. The business opportunity. The problem: plastic waste is one of the biggest environmental challenges we face today. Most plastic doesn't break down naturally, taking up to 450 years to decompose in the environment. According to the United Nations Environment Programme, the world produces around 430 million tonnes of plastic each year, with fewer than 10% of those materials being recycled. At the same time, the fashion industry is responsible for generating over 92 million tonnes of textile waste annually, with a significant portion coming from fast fashion. These waste streams are leading to resource depletion, pollution, and climate change, especially as fast fashion continues to dominate the global market. The overproduction and underutilization of fashion items is simply not sustainable and presents a ripe opportunity for change. There's an increasing demand for consumers for sustainable and ethical options. A 2023 McKinsey report on consumer behaviour revealed that more than 60% of Gen Z shoppers prefer to buy from brands that are environmentally responsible, with the global sustainable fashion market expected to grow from $7.8 billion in 2023 to over $33 billion by 2030. It's clear that there's a significant market opening for businesses that focus on circularity and eco-innovation. Recycle Style value. Recycle Style is a sustainable fashion label that crafts clothing exclusively from recycled plastics, mainly post-consumer PET bottles and industrial plastic waste. What sets us apart is our commitment to blending environmental responsibility with stylish design and community support. From waste to wear. Why Recycle Style stands out locally. Why stands out? Locally sourced plastic waste. We partner with local councils, waste collectors and ocean cleanup groups to gather materials. This approach not only cuts down transportation emissions, but also backs community-focused projects. Closed loop circularity. We encourage our customers to return their worn garments, which we then reprocess into new clothing. This promotes recycling and helps lessen the amount of textile waste. Stylish and affordable. Our fashion designers ensure that being sustainable doesn't mean compromising on style. With a focus on minimalist, functional, and modern looks, we cater to the trend-savvy youth. Environmental transparency. Each product is tagged with information detailing how much plastic went into it and the emissions saved compared to regular clothing. The business model. Recycle Style uses a hybrid direct-to-customer and business-to-business model that's built for scalability and aims to make a long-term difference. Our main focus is on Gen Z and millennial consumers aged 18 to 35, who live in urban areas and are both environmentally aware and style conscious. We also target ethical retailers, eco-friendly corporate partners, and NGOs that are keen on branded sustainable products. Our revenue streams. E-commerce sales. Customers can make direct purchases through our website and the mobile app. Retail and wholesale partnerships. We collaborate with eco boutiques and sustainable lifestyle retailers. branded corporate apparel. We offer custom orders for companies that prioritize environmental responsibility, and also an optional subscription model. This optional eco wardrobe service provides new pieces every quarter and offers rewards for returning clothing. Our cost structure. There's the collection and sorting of raw plastics, recycling and making textiles, design, branding and manufacturing, development of the digital platform, including marketing, influencer, partnerships and logistics. Scalability. Our model can be easily replicated in various cities using local plastic waste. This helps to reduce our carbon footprint while allowing us to tailor fashion lines to fit regional markets. In the long run, we plan to license our recycling technology and branch out into accessories and homeware. Validation. We've conducted initial customer research through online surveys and interviews with over 50 participants aged 18 to 30. Some key findings include 82% of respondents would be willing to pay more for sustainable fashion if the style and comfort matched that of fast fashion brands. 70% thought that transparency in sourcing and impact was crucial for brand trust. 60% already own at least one item from recycled materials. Additionally, during small focus group tests, sample recycled style t-shirts crafted from the equivalent of 12 recycled PET bottles were met with very positive feedback. Our marketing strategy. Our approach to launching the brand is all about creating a dedicated community of brand advocates and eco-conscious individuals. Brand messaging will shine a light on our positive impact on the environment, our credibility in fashion, and our commitment to the community. Every piece will share a story that connects not only the customer, but also to the planet. Key marketing tactics. Influencer collaborations. We will team up with eco-friendly fashion influencers and sustainability advocates. Our social media campaigns will showcase the journey from waste to wear through engaging short videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. We'll host pop-up events, including organising local workshops on recycling and fashion upcycling. Employ campus ambassadors to empower university students to act as representatives of Recycle Style, promoting sustainability on campus. We will have sustainable packaging and QR codes, which each product will have a QR code that links to its origin story and recycling advice. Partnerships with sustainable brands. Will collaborate with other eco-friendly companies for joint promotions. Our SEO and content marketing will include creating informative blogs and videos on sustainable fashion to attract organic traffic. We'll also have an email and loyalty program which connects with customers through exclusive offers, early access to new products, and incentives for recycling. Our financial estimates. Initially, we'll have a seed funding request of $100,000 and we'll use 40% of that money on production equipment and inventory. Our equipment and initial inventory will be 30%. Digital marketing and branding will take up 20%. Website and e-commerce platform will take another 10%. From this, our operations and logistics will include a 3-year projection. Year 1, we'll launch the brand, $150,000 in revenue, and small batch production. Year 2, we will aim for $500,000 in revenue, direct-to-consumer expansion, and 10 retail partners. In Year 3, we will expect $1.2 million in revenue, pilot licensing model, geographic expansion. We expect gross margins of around 55% by Year 2 and aim to break even by the end of that year. Conclusion. Recycle Style is tackling two of the biggest challenges we face today: plastic pollution and unsustainable fashion. By transforming waste into wearable items, we're not just offering clothes, we're starting a movement. Our venture stands at the intersection of making a positive environmental impact, creating economic opportunities, and staying culturally relevant. With a clear issue at hand, a validated solution, and a strong business model backed by market demand, Recycle Style presents a solid case for investment. It embodies the entrepreneurial spirit, creativity, and determination to turn an idea into a meaningful contribution to society. It's the perfect moment to rethink fashion, and Recycle Style is all set to lead that way. Thank you for listening.